My name is Darrell Davis. Appreciate you for tuning in.
What up, mud?
On time is late, early is better. Let's go! Got you, coach. Like, you gotta push yourself every day, all day. Like, push yourself to exhaustion.
So right now, we better slide to lunch right quick. Get some food, and then we got practice at 12:50. What up, mud? Nah, bro. That joint was not today. I thought it was. I think it's October 8th. Nah, I think we got a scrimmage next week, though. Katia. What's up, mud? What's up, Brady? How you living?
You hungry?
Dang. What's up, mud? How you living? My OC brother. We got a step, though. They always matching. She don't got a Crocs on though. I ain't got a Crocs on. Nah, but we about to slide to practice, get changed. Wait, get started.
I mean, he got work out there. He be in that joint every day. Bro, King's not even there. On time is late, early is better. But you can see the change. The half court line is right there, mud. Hey, we about to go change the practice. We'll be back. We about to slide to practice right now. I'm with J. Mitch. What? I'm right here with you.
That's also rivalry stuff.
We're not starting that. Stop looking at me. Jeremy. Hey, baseline. Hey. I thought it's charges. It's charges, right? Yeah, it's charges.
Hey! Good, bro.
Let's go! Bro, J. Mitch needing him outside, bro.
And then trying to go around and cut off. So you just have to slide one step early to cut off the base.
All right. Hey! Hey! Oh! Come here, Rod! Got you, coach. Hard sprint! Hard sprint! Shot, kid.
Boom.
Bro, I keep getting knee, bro.
Yo.
That was! Bro, you forcing it. That don't matter. Hey, good hustle, Dorian. You go in my locker and grab my purple Kobe's. Just like to travel with the guys, with the guys. I'm like, we're a very talented team. Everything gonna cook. We got the chemistry. We just gotta go in the court and give it our all and play together. Other than that, I feel like we can go undefeated. We have a high chance. I ain't gonna think something though. Yes!
7-6 flying.
We won! Yes!
Go, man.
Yo, have a hand up always.
What's up?
Let's go! Hey, Harmon, you gotta push yourself, bro. If you wanna be good, you have to push yourself. It's like, bro, you get like, you trying, but you're not giving your full effort, bro. Like, you gotta push yourself every day, all day. Like, push yourself to exhaustion. You gotta work, bro. That's how you gonna get better. If you wanna go to the league, you gonna have to. You tired of niggas talking trash to you, right? You gotta show it. Bro, just give it your all, bro. You gonna be good, bro. You gotta give it your all. You got 1 year left.
Everything else go white.
Wait, hurry up.
Level 3, you flip up and give him the ball 8 feet from the basket.
Yeah.
You gotta get him to the, actually in transition. It'll be tempting. You gotta let it post. He's a run guy. Don't.
We got rebounding. And then at the end, we got like we got a game series. Hey, get the fuck on me! I won! I ain't gonna lie. That seemed like a hole in the camera, bro. I get one lip, everybody else get two. It's looking bad for me on the cam. Damn, you gonna close here? Close out here. Close. Hands up. I got you. How is that, KJ? I'm here. Ball. And I get. Push. Do some push-ups. Do 10. I like the footwork, KB. So, that's it for the day. Practice, I say it was probably 8 out of 10. We could pick up the intensity more, but we had more energy. We gotta keep coming together. I'm loving how it is. We're gonna be a leading spot if we keep coming together. I don't know what else to say. Excited for the year about their film. So today, I got weights. Then I'll probably go to recovery, get ice on my knees, and then I'll go back to the dorm, shower. See if I play the game, or me, a couple of teammates will go shoot in the gym, just chill. Always go hang out with the guys and just like joking, like laugh around and stuff. But then we head back to curfew at 10. We head back probably 9:50, and then probably go to sleep. Definitely competing more. I love like the practice when we compete more. But I have to say the offensive rebound because that's when we bring the most energy. Just everybody be hyped, cheering people on. That's when we come together as a team, like really. Yeah, man, it felt great. I'm on black right now, but we was on white. It felt great to see them run because we was losing the past couple of days, and I had to get back. I couldn't keep losing, and to see them run, like we broke the curse, and now we back to competing every day. We don't gotta worry about no more sluggish. Worry about winning or not. It's just everybody gonna be together. That's the end for practice this day. My name is Darrell Davis. Appreciate you tuning in. We out.